Welcome to 2026, the year we stop guessing and start optimizing. For too long, health has been a guessing game. Now technology gives us precise, actionable data about our own biology. This isn't about trends, it's about building a personalized, science-backed framework for well-being. At AskFitTech, we provide the roadmap, mechanisms behind human performance, and how to use tech as a lever for lasting change. This year is about empowerment through information. Understanding why behaviors impact your health, and using tech to track and improve them. We'll show you how to turn your smartphone and wearables into your own personal lab. Let's make 2026 the year you become the architect of your own health. Sleep is the foundation of all health. Without it, our bodies and minds simply can't function at their best. It's the silent force behind our energy, focus, and even our mood. Yet, in our fast-paced world, it's often the first thing we sacrifice. We push through late nights, glued to screens, thinking we can catch up later. But the cost adds up. In 2026, technology is finally helping us treat sleep with the respect it deserves. Smart devices and apps are transforming bedrooms into sanctuaries for rest, not just places to crash. You can't manage what you don't measure. That's why tracking your sleep is the first step to real improvement. Wearables now track not just how long you sleep, but your sleep stages, heart rate variability, and even body temperature, giving you a nightly report card that reveals how well you're really resting. Each morning, review your sleep data and reflect on your previous day's habits. Did you exercise late? Have caffeine after noon? Try breathwork or meditation before bed? These details matter. By linking your behaviors to your sleep outcomes, you can build a personalized sleep playbook, one that's tailored to your unique rhythms and needs. Start your day by anchoring your circadian rhythm with 10-30 minutes of morning sunlight. This simple habit sets your body's internal clock, boosts your mood, and primes you for alertness all day. In the evening, avoid bright blue light from screens and overhead lights. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to wind down. Use night mode on your devices, wear blue light blocking glasses, or set up smart lighting that mimics sunset to cue your body's natural melatonin release. Temperature matters too. Smart mattresses with cooling features, a well-timed hot shower, or simply adjusting your thermostat can help your body cool down, signaling it's time for sleep. Track your heart rate variability. Higher HRV means your body is recovering well and adapting to stress. It's a powerful metric for overall health. Watch your HRV trend over weeks and months as you optimize your sleep routine. Small changes can make a big difference. Use soundscapes like white or pink noise to mask disruptions, traffic, neighbors, or even a snoring partner. A consistent sound environment helps your brain relax and stay asleep. Set alarms not just for waking up, but for winding down. A gentle reminder to start your bedtime routine can make all the difference. Gamify your sleep schedule with consistency scores from your wearable. Celebrate your wins and challenge yourself to improve. With these tools, you stop fighting your biology and start working with it, unlocking deeper rest, sharper focus, and a healthier, more energized you. The old no pain, no gain mindset leads to burnout and injury. Pushing yourself to the limit every session might feel heroic, but it's a fast track to setbacks, not success. Today, we know that smarter training is the real key to progress. In 2026, we train smarter. Technology and science have changed the game, making it possible to optimize every aspect of your workout for better results and fewer injuries. Use heart rate zone monitoring. Most wearables track this accurately. Instead of guessing how hard you're working, let your device guide you to the right intensity for your goals. Tailor your workouts. Use your heart rate data to decide when to push and when to recover. This means you can train with purpose, not just effort. Zone 2 for endurance, zones 4-5 for HIIT. Don't guess your intensity. Each zone targets different adaptations, so knowing where you are makes every session count. Let your device keep you honest and maximize adaptation. Real-time feedback helps you avoid overdoing it or slacking off, so you get the most from every workout. Smart gym apps now track reps, sets, weight, and even bar speed. These tools give you a clear picture of your progress and help you spot plateaus before they happen. Velocity-based training helps you know when to stop before form breaks down. By tracking bar speed, you can avoid unnecessary fatigue and reduce injury risk. Progressive overload isn't just about adding weight. It's about making small, consistent improvements, whether that's more reps, better form, or faster recovery. Use data to adjust reps, rest, and intensity. Your training should evolve as you do, adapting to your body's needs and your goals. Or tweak your speed for continuous progress. Small changes, tracked over time, add up to big results. Avoid overtraining. Monitor HRV and resting heart rate. These metrics reveal how well your body is recovering, so you know when to push and when to rest. If recovery metrics are off, your app can suggest a lighter day. Listening to your body with the help of technology keeps you healthy and motivated. Auto-regulate your training. Adjust based on real-time readiness, not a rigid plan. Flexibility is key to long-term progress and injury prevention. AI-powered apps can analyze your form, catching mistakes you might miss, and helping you move more efficiently. And give real-time feedback, reducing injury risk. This means safer, more effective workouts every time you train. The goal: sustainable, consistent training that builds a resilient, high-performing body. By embracing technology and listening to your body, you'll train smarter, recover better, and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Nutrition isn't one size fits all. In 2026, we use biohacking tools for a personalized approach. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, show how your body responds to food in real time. No more guessing. Discover which foods spike your blood sugar and which keep you stable. Pair carbs with protein and fat to blunt glucose spikes. Macro tracking apps help you hit protein targets and understand your energy balance. At-home blood tests reveal micronutrient deficiencies, so you can supplement with precision. Chrononutrition matters. Insulin sensitivity is highest in the morning. Use a CGM to test how meal timing affects you. Structure your eating schedule to align with your circadian rhythm. Carbs earlier, protein, and fat later. Hydration is fundamental. Smart water bottles and apps track your intake and remind you to drink. Correlate hydration with your energy, focus, and recovery metrics. Build a holistic, data-informed nutrition system. Every input counts. High performance isn't just about work, it's about recovery. Make recovery an active, trainable skill using technology. Breathwork apps guide you through protocols that calm your nervous system. Use your smartwatch to see your heart rate drop in real time. Cold exposure, like a cold shower, trains your stress response. Use a thermometer to track progress and monitor HRV for adaptation. Sauna sessions provide hormetic stress. Use a timer and track heart rate for cardiovascular benefits. Combine heat and cold for potent recovery. Meditation apps and EEG headbands gamify mindfulness, providing feedback on your brain waves and focus. Your wearable's recovery score synthesizes sleep, HRV, and activity data, helping you decide when to push or rest. Balance stress and recovery, using data as your coach. Knowledge is useless without consistency. You can know every health tip in the world, but unless you act on them day after day, nothing changes. The real challenge is showing up for yourself, even on days when motivation is low or life gets busy. Technology can help you build habits that last. With the right tools, your phone or smartwatch becomes more than a device. It's a personal coach, a gentle nudge, and a record keeper all in one. Habit tracking apps provide micro rewards for daily actions, building streaks that motivate you to keep going. Each checkmark or notification is a small win, reinforcing your progress and making the process feel rewarding. Define specific measurable habits, like 10 minutes of sunlight, 3 liters of water, or stretch for 5 minutes. The more concrete your goals, the easier it is to track and achieve them. Set boundaries too, such as no screens after 9 p.m. These digital reminders help you protect your rest and recovery, making healthy choices automatic. Progress graphs show your journey, revealing improvement even when you don't feel it. Over time, these visual cues remind you that every small effort adds up, even if the changes are gradual. Use setbacks as data, not failures. If you miss a day, your app can help you reflect, adjust, and move forward without guilt. It's about learning, not perfection. See the big picture and get back on track. Long-term charts and dashboards help you zoom out, so you don't get discouraged by a single off day. Social accountability features in apps let you share progress and stay motivated. Compete with friends, join challenges, or simply celebrate each other's wins. Community support makes consistency easier. Automated reminders cue your habits, making them easier to stick with. A gentle buzz or pop-up at the right time can be the difference between action and forgetting. Celebrate milestones. Let your app notify you of streaks and personal bests. These moments of recognition boost your confidence and keep you engaged. Technology is your accountability partner, reflecting your actions and helping you close the gap between intention and reality. It keeps you honest, and it keeps you moving forward. Small, consistent actions compound over time. Each day you show up, you're investing in a better version of yourself. Use tech to define, track, and reinforce your 1% daily improvement. Over weeks and months, these tiny gains add up to real transformation. Let technology scaffold your new habits and build the life you want. With every tap, reminder, and chart, you're not just tracking habits, you're building a foundation for lasting change. You're no longer operating in the dark. Technology now gives you the tools to truly understand and influence your biology every single day. This isn't about becoming a robot, it's about making informed choices that align with your unique goals and values. The journey is personal, but you're not alone. Ask FitTech is your community for science-backed, practical protocols and real support. Technology is your mirror, map, and compass for meaningful change in your life. The future of health is personalized, proactive, and data-driven, designed just for you. Ready to optimize your health? Like and subscribe to Ask FitTech for more expert tips and insights. Let's build a smarter, healthier year, together, as a thriving community. Drop your questions and feedback in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.